saying goodbye to my good friends, Kim and Miss Pam. It was such an awesome visit. On this Timber Ridge review, I got to introduce Miss Pam,
Timber Ridge.
my wife Deanna, and my daughter Angela, and there's Becky down there. Now, you know what? Show your backside, Angela. That was your better side. We like looking at your butt. About the asshole over there running the chainsaw that's being so noisy. But hey, we got to do a review for this timber. What's the chair called, Kim?
Timber Ridge.
Timber Ridge. This is an answer to Papa's review of the Timber Ridge chair. We want to get this review. So Kim, what do you think of this chair?
Really nice.
You like that? Is it everything that Papa said it was?
Come back in an hour and I'll tell you more about it.
Okay, we're going to do that, folks. We will be back in one more hour and we'll know. Pardon?
Wake me up.
Wake you up? Okay, we'll do that.
Oh, man.
Right.
I'm not retarded. I'm a little shallow.
We're ready to go, huh? Yeah. Well, first of all, I got to get prepared because you know what? They gave me this here the other day. So I got to get prepared for the rest of the gifts.
Not too much.
And it's not that big a deal.
Stan, not too much. You would take it in one gulp.
No, not anymore.
Hand it to me.
Okay.
That
Oh, so check this on out, folks. Hey, y'all. Thank you, Miss Pam. Thank you, Kim. This is awesome. I love it. It's beautiful.
Oh, brother.
Oh, there's more?
Well, they got tissue paper, so I thought, you know.
Okay, there must be some cheese in here.
There's more
We got
crackers in that.
crackers.
Hey y'all, to see the rest of these awesome gifts, head on over to Kim Fyffe's channel. We'll put it up in the card up above, or you can look in the description to find his channel, and you'll go over there and be able to find the rest of this these awesome gifts that they gave me.
Well, you haven't got dessert yet.
Oh, this ain't the dessert?
No, that's the...
Comfortable in the shade and the breeze and go to sleep. And then somebody had to bring that Kubota up here and racked it and wake me up.
Yeah, but so you was able to sleep in that chair?
Oh, man. Let's see if I can get back here.
Done.
Don't go.
Which one do I want?
Whichever one looks good to you. Here's the tongs if you want them.
Well, here, put that middle one on there.
This one here?
Yeah. Oh.
Now, there are bones in it. What did I do with my fork? You done?
Oh. Good salmon, Grizz.
For being a year old in the freezer, it ain't bad.
Now, are you live streaming?
No, not just video. And what I want to do.
Give me the ball.
Good girl. Be
Come
a
on.
good girl.
Be a good girl. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Stir fry. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Here. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball.
No, I'm not going to.
Not gonna happen.
Give me that ball.
Oh.
Give her that ball. You give her that ball.
Go get Pam that
He
ball.
has, you have a little bit more authoritative voice.
Go give it to her. Go give it.
Come here, give me the ball.
Go give it to her.
Give me the ball.
Okay.
Oh, stir fry, you don't need to bark.
So y'all take care.
You too. Sure enjoyed it. Glad you guys came. Loved it.
We could get in like this and go down and film
No.
them going.
Just to saying goodbye.
Check out where all she went.
Yeah, I would spy on her too.
Yeah, it's no big deal, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys,
Uh,
take care.
Okay, have a safe and fun trip.
Okay, we will. You
I'm
bet.
gonna go up here and turn around like I did.
Okay, that's fine.
Back down the hill. Bye. See you on the flip flop.
See you on YouTube.
Remember when we used to say that?
Yeah.
See you on YouTube.
See you on YouTube.